Hi there everyone and welcome back to another lesson. In this video, we're going to learn how we can show a message in Excel when the cell is clicked. This short trick is pretty convenient to use, especially when you have to share a file with different people and you demand them to add some data. In this case, I have a list of people. And if I share this Excel file with Daniel, Wyatt, Gia, and Leonardo, and I want them to fill in their phone numbers in column B, which should be 11-digit, I can add a note right here. But that is something which may not be seen or may be skipped. In order to do it more effectively, I can create a message for each of these cells so that as soon as Daniel is about to type in his phone number, he gets that message and reads the note and remembers to add the 11-digit number. So the first step is that you select the cell where you want that certain prompt to appear. Secondly, we'll move to the Data section from the ribbon, followed by the Data Tools section. In Data Tools section, we will select the Data Validation, and once we've selected that, this dialog box will appear. It shows three different types of things that we can do. Either we can have an error alert, input message, or setting. Remember, for creating this message in Excel, you have to ensure that you do not have any value added. Then we'll move to the input message and we'll add a title here. Let's say I name it Note. And in the input message, I'm going to type what I want people to know. In this case, I'm going to write, please type your phone number in 11 digits. As you can see that the note appears, I can drag this very same instruction to as many columns and rows as I want. And as soon as I leave it, I'm going to see that for every cell, I'm going to have the same sort of note appearing. This is what's going to help me in order to tell people that I want them to add 11 digits phone number. Without even calling them or getting behind them, this is a convenient way to show some certain message, show some certain information promptly, readily, and effectively. I hope you people have learned a lot from this little video, and it's going to prove you helpful in your practice of Excel. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Goodbye.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.